Having trouble connecting to your T-Mobile hotspot? Let's pinpoint the issue. Three main culprits cause most problems: Wi-Fi authentication, APN settings, and signal strength. Wi-Fi authentication ensures your device is authorized to use the hotspot. An incorrect password or outdated security protocol can cause failures. APN, or access point name, is the setting that allows your hotspot to connect to T-Mobile's network. If this is misconfigured, you won't get internet. Finally, signal strength affects how stable your connection is. Weak signal equals dropped connections. First, make sure you have the correct Wi-Fi password. Reset the hotspot and check for any available firmware updates using the T-Mobile app. If the problem persists, we'll move on to checking the APN. If Wi-Fi authentication isn't the problem, check your APN settings. The correct APN for T-Mobile hotspots is typically fast.tmobile.com. You can find this in your hotspot settings under Mobile Data Access Point Names. Use the T-Mobile app for automatic setup to avoid manual errors. Next, improve your signal. Use the T-Mobile app or device diagnostics to check your signal strength. Ideally, you want something around -50 dB emitters. Anything weaker than -100 dB emitters is poor. Move to a location with a clearer view of cell towers or use an external antenna to boost the signal. As a last resort, perform a full reset of the hotspot, which includes ejecting and reinserting the SIM card. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for device-specific advice.